Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can generate any image we want using Dall-E in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva and I'm going to generate an image for this design. If we want to generate an image using Dall-E, we need to go to the Canva apps. So we can get the Dall-E app on our Canva, and here you can go to the AI powered, and here you will be able to get the Dall-E. Okay, and here you can describe the image you want to generate. For example, I'm going to create magical forest with butterfly berries. Okay, and you can click on generate and just wait for a moment until the process completed. Okay guys, and these are the result, and you just need to choose the image that you like and you will be able to add it to your design. Okay, and that's all the way to generate any image we want using Dall-E and Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.